power down. There's the RAP10. Quite a lot of them today. Electric, which I'm sure most of those possibly not great fans of. Red flags out. Drama on the hill. Just in case you didn't hear, I'll repeat that you can win a passenger ride in the 1937 Grand Prix winning Bugatti just for £1. Just have to buy a raffle ticket in the Friends of Preston shop. Cars parked outside, paddock, can't miss it. The draw will be at lunchtime, so if you want the tickets, I suggest you get it fairly soon. Take lunch break. I haven't been told definitively, but it's likely to be around 12:30. One car inside is away.
Attention paddock, attention to paddock, will all the drivers in zone C please go to your vehicles and be ready for the marshal's instructions. That's drivers in zone C to your cars please.